I'm sure they got
the one-stop bank to be shellacked.
yeah.
The best shearing bank in the world.
You want?
Right, Trevor. Like stealing people's farms and having fake notes.
Or not producing the note?
Yeah, not producing the note. Yeah.
So John, where are we at?
Oh, Morris, Minnesota, Stevens County.
Lawless Morris, Minnesota, and lawless Stevens County.
Yeah,
that's what.
See your main street, huh?
That's how we've been exposing local corruption.
We're at 7th Street there, Glasrud.
Yeah. We've been exposing local corruption on November 25th, 2011.
Yeah, Black Friday.
Black Friday. Well, that's because you have crooks for judges in Morris.
Yeah, that's for sure.
Hi, you want some information about local corruption?
Pardon me?
Want some information about local corruption?
Local corruption?
Yes, local corruption. Your judges from here are trying to cover up the criminal acts of my county officials in Pope County.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Hi. We're just handing out some information about local corruption. Your judges from your county have decided to come over to cover up the crimes of the elected officials in my county. Your Judge Glasrud and your Judge Seibel, trying to cover up the fact that the lawless Pope County Sheriff's Department broke into my home back in 2007 without a warrant. Okay, this guy here, Christopher King, he's a former Assistant Attorney General and an investigative reporter, confirmed the fact that they had this deputy right here saying he's going to maliciously arrest me. You know, he says it right on film. My former sheriff, criminally defaming me on film. We got one of the former former county attorneys from Pope County admitting on camera that he sent me a weapon to the Todd County Jail, which is this information right here, which your Judge Seibel helped cover up.
I will take a look at it.
Thank you for your time. No, they didn't have a warrant. I knew they didn't have a warrant, so he should have known, right? So that means he knows. See, so they're trying to throw me in jail. I got court on Monday, trying to throw me in jail again for a year because I'm exposing local corruption. See what I'm getting at?
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to educate the public about. So now you know what your taxes are paying for. So how can you trust any arrest, prosecution, or conviction in this county or my county when you have criminals for judges? See what I'm getting at? Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Exposing local corruption, just like what I was doing, or what I am doing. But see, now they've been tampering with my evidence, they've been withholding my evidence, they've been sending my legal mail to Minneapolis. I live in Glenwood. Why is my evidence going to Minneapolis? Because they don't want me to have it in time for my hearings. See? And I've informed your Judge Glasrud of this, and he just lets it all go in one ear and out the other. See, remember I'm working with this guy who's a former assistant attorney general. He knows what the law is. He knows these guys aren't following the law. And here's a deputy who I went to the Leven Township board members and told them about all this criminal activity was going on there. They repaid me by sending the cops after me. And here's the cop, the deputy, admitting on camera, and this is in the police report, that he's going to illegally arrest me. Okay, that's a year in jail. And he admits it in his paperwork. And they do that because they know they have a judge like your Judge Glasrud and your Judge Seibel who's going to cover for him in court. See what I'm saying? So they'll throw me in jail, they'll ignore all the evidence, and just convict me. See what I'm saying? And see here, when they arrested me, they were wearing these tape recorders. Did I get that evidence? No, they're withholding that evidence. See, so what kind of chance would you stand in court if they're withholding your evidence, they're tampering with your evidence, they're delaying your evidence, and you have perjurers that get on the witness stand and lie about you? See, you wouldn't stand too much of a chance, would you? See? So that's what your tax dollars are paying for in this county. So just wanted to inform you what's going on in your own county there. Thank you for your time.